Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2009 Toyota RAV4 maintenance light reset. We are going to use that screen right there and this little button over here on the left hand side. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. We are going to, as you can see, the maintenance light is flickering. When you reset it, it will turn off. And keep in mind, you're gonna have to reset the maintenance light on the trip A, and go ahead and use this button to change it to trip A. Right now it's on the ODO, just like that. Now turn off your car. Now at the same time, press and hold this button, okay, and turn your car back on without starting. Give me a second here, and you should see that runners blinking, just like that. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.